What started out as a small company with just a couple people quickly grew from small containers to then moving the material from our site to end users, which ended up with semi-trucks and larger transports. We have an incredible flexibility to do just about any job that's out there.
So Colorado Industrial Recycling has a pretty extensive platform of services. We started life exclusively doing metal recycling, but over time we've really been able to diversify in a lot of different ways. We saw an opportunity to provide a one-stop shop approach to recycling. We've been able to evolve and take a lot of different materials. We look for kind of what the business's needs are and provide what we can.
We recycle automobiles, metal, paper, cardboard, concrete, and glass.
Using the labor, the equipment that we have, the expertise for material management, we can quote a job, go on site, figure out kind of what the needs of the customer are, what the environmental obligations are, and be able to take over the entire cleanup operation.
In the past, we've been able to tear down buildings, separate the various materials so that minimal amount of material gets diversified to the landfill and the majority of it gets recycled. Colorado Industrial Recycling has the ability to provide containers to meet just about all of our customers' needs. Our smallest containers are 1 cubic yard, all the way up to our largest containers that are 50 cubic yards to 100 cubic yards, depending on the need and size of the material being transported.
We've expanded that service to be able to do roll-off flush. We can collect their metal and haul that off-site, but we can also take their solid waste and make sure that's disposed of the way it needs to be. We try to really make sure that we make our service as easy as possible. So when we're signing up a new business, we have a very simple service agreement. We're able to start service within 1 business day.
When a customer calls for a container, they will speak with our dispatch department. We'll send out a driver to drop off a can. Once the can is full, they'll contact our dispatch department, and we'll send out a driver to pick up that material within 1 business day. Once the material is at our facility, we will take pictures of it, capture the weights. We'll identify that material. Once we identify what the material is, we will pay our customers out based on the weight, the value of that material in a timely fashion.
When we're starting a relationship with a customer, we're thinking long-term. We know that our effectiveness in executing that first job is going to pay dividends when we're still hauling your metal 10 years from now.
Our intention is to diversify as much for the customer and make our human footprint on Earth as minimal as possible by recycling as much as possible.